write an effective thesis by using AI, how you can take the advantage of AI tools for your thesis, right? Okay, so without any delay, I want to start the session. Yes. First of all, before discussing about AI tools, first of all, I want to just for 5 to 10 minutes, I want to explain about the thesis writing. See, for a research problem or for a research manuscript or for effective thesis, mostly the components or elements are common. Like research problem will be there, title of the manuscript or title of your thesis, title of your research is will be there. You have abstract for a research manuscript, and also you have abstract for your thesis also. Introduction, review of the literature, research methodology, data analysis, findings, suggestions, conclusion, references, everywhere. Mostly these things are very common. These things are very, very common. Even for normal research paper writing, even for if you want to write a thesis also. Okay. First of all, uh, please remember, half of your research will be finished if you will particularly define the research problem. Okay, if you are able to define your research problem correctly, definitely you have an opportunity. That means half of your research will be finished. Okay, but so many people are unable to define that research problem clearly. Understood? So that's why please remember your research problem must be very clear cut. It must reflect what you want to do, and it must reflect the research gap what you found from the existing or previous research. And also that the research problem also need to resolve some societal problem. How you got that point, from where it was, the research problem was generated. Understood? So research problem you need to define it clearly. Understood? So that is research problem. And mostly research problems depends upon the existing research. What type of existing research you found, what type of limitations the existing research has already. If you want to think in a new perspective for the existing research, it will give you a direction to do your future research. Okay, and depends upon the your type of discipline, depends upon type of topic. Obviously your research problem will be there. In the what that research problem need to contains, actually, see, a research problem must contain, first thing, aim or purpose. Even for a normal research manuscript or for thesis, research problem definition itself is very, very important. That research problem need to highlight the research aim or objective. On which topic you are going to do the investigation, why you are doing the investigation, on which topic you are doing your research. That means your domain area, on which domain area you want to do your research, and the place or location where you want to conduct your research, duration of the research. Remember, so many people will be failed in this aspect only because, see, if you will choose any topic, the topic what you have opted now, the findings may be different after 1 year or after 2 3 years. If you will choose the same topic, the findings may be different. See, the research results also may change based upon the trends, based upon the time period. If the time will pass, obviously the research results also will change. So duration or time of the study important. Population means on which from where, on which you are, who will be the respondent to your study, on whom you are doing your entire research, or from where you are going to collect the data. So all these things must be included in the research problem. Okay. Next, title of the manuscript. See, when you are unable to fix the title properly, you can't do your research properly. So title of the manuscript is very important. Next, coming to introduction. Introduction stands for, see, so many people will think that for the review of the literature only we need to write the references. Even in thesis also, if you are collecting introduction from any source, You need to write reference there also. You need to write the reference or source of that introduction part in review of the, I mean, in references section, in bibliography section, you need to write, definitely you need to mention the citation of the concerned resource, concerned source also. So introduction. And coming to abstract, and coming to abstract is nothing but brief summary. See, abstract will be helpful for you. For example, if you are unable to read your entire paper, first what you will do, you will read the abstract only. Especially when it is the matter of preparation of review of the literature or introduction chapters for the thesis writing, you need to review. You need to conduct a review for more number of publications, more number of existing literature. So it will take a lot of time for you to study entire manuscript. So that's why we need to refer abstract first. If you thought that if that abstract will be suitable for your research, it will give you some direction. Then you will go into, then you will look into the whole part of the concerned source or reference. Okay. So abstract, simply we can say it will be a 150 to 250 words brief summary. It has some keywords. Even for thesis also, you will write preface of the study. That means that preface itself is about abstract for the thesis. Now, for normal manuscript, we will write it. We will call it as an abstract. But for thesis, we will call it as an executive summary, or we can call it as a preface of the study. So even for book also, we have the preface of the study. For thesis writing also, we have the preface of the study. It gives you the whole content of the entire thesis. Okay. Next, what type of content you need to include in the abstract? See, abstract need to include the abstract must has uh, background information related to your topic, any question, and what type of research problem you are going to address, and the research gap. That means, see, so many people are confused about this aspect. That is, what do you mean by research gap? See, research gap is nothing but, and scope for further studies. There is a lot of difference. Research gap is nothing but, for example, now I want to start my new research. What I will do, I will fix my research problem. But to fix that research problem, what I will do, I will search what type of existing studies are there, up to what extent the existing findings covered in the existing literature, in what way I can go for a new, I can think in a new perspective. So what are not covered in the existing literature, and what I'm going to think in a new perspective, that will be the research gap. Okay. So objectives, why you have opted that particular topic. So any analytical or research methods, statistical tools, findings, results, any arguments or any significance. So the whole things, see, you may have all these things in the abstract, but the abstract must be confined to a brief summary of your entire thesis. Okay. And coming to review of the literature, see, we have we will collect literature from so many sources, like from books, essays, articles, conference proceedings, different papers, different theses, different open sources. We have so many, especially we have so many open search engines. We have, especially like Google Scholar, Semantic Scholar. We will also have research get, so many websites are there, so many AI tools are there, from where you will get a lot of literature. Okay. So coming to research methodology, the research methodology must has need for the study, scope for the study, objectives, data collection and sampling procedure, what type of statistical tools and techniques you have used for the analysis, and limitations. And coming to need for the study, why you are doing the entire research, scope of the study, that means up to what extent you are going to do your research objectives, from where you are going to collect the data, sampling procedure. You can't do entire study on the entire population. For that purpose, you will go with sample. That means a subset of population. On that sample, you will do your research. So what type of statistical tools and techniques you are using for the analysis, and limitation. That means Every research has its own constraints, like financial constraint, time constraint. These are the two common constraints or limitations we have for every research. And how you will write hypothesis? See, first hypothesis is nothing but it is a predictive statement for your thesis or for normal manuscript writing. This thesis, this hypothesis writing is very, very important. Hypothesis is nothing but predictive statement. For example, when I am doing my research, I have an assumption that yes, it will be proved. I don't know whether it will happen or not. So I will predict it. That's it. That means that's why hypothesis is nothing but a predictive statement. Hypothesis is nothing but a predictive statement where you are going to prove it. Hypothesis is nothing but a predictive statement where you are going to prove it. So hypothesis is nothing but a predictive statement between two variables. Why I am saying two variables here? Because that predictive statement or assumption which is going to express the relationship between two variables, whether two variables are related with each other or whether those two variables are unrelated with each other. Okay. So that's why when you are going to write hypothesis, what type of hypothesis you are writing, it is very important, like whether you are choosing null hypothesis or an alternative hypothesis. And after that, you have data analysis. When you will apply all the statistical tools, that comprehensive tables will be decomposed into multiple small tables. Then you will write findings. Then you will go with suggestions. Findings, connected suggestions are important, because if you will give one finding, you are writing any suggestion which is not at all relevant to the finding, it is useless. So that's why when you are writing a finding based upon your suggestion, based upon your study, please connect that suggestion with the findings. Okay. So research findings. Next, suggestions or recommendations. Those suggestions are, and especially in social sciences, when you are collecting data from uh, through survey or any through questionnaire, if you are collecting, please take the opinions of the respondents, because respondents real time experiences, if they will share with you, that is the real problems they are experiencing. From that particular source, you may generate different types of solutions also. Okay. So conclusion part. Conclusion stands for every research you have conclusion. So for thesis, when you are going to conclude, please highlight what type of points you highlighted, main emphasis on especially what type of new suggestions you are going to give, how your research is going to contribute for the development of the society, or whether it is going to resolve any existing problem, or it is going to answer for any unsolved questions. So when you are writing conclusion, please remember all these points. Okay. And references section. And coming to references section, see, depends upon the discipline. You need to generate the citation style. For journal publication, it will be different. If you are taking any textbook reference, citation generation will be different. For different types of disciplines, different citation styles will be there, different citation formats will be there. Fortunately, especially because of this AI, it made easier for us, because previous days, if they want to write hype, if they want to generate, when professors want to generate citations, they need to take the help of only just Word document. If you will see the Word document, just you have one menu called references. Then they need to generate the citation style. Okay, but now easily you can generate the citation style by using different AI tools or different websites also. If you will see different types of references, not only these references, we have books, journal articles, web sources, conference proceedings, reports. I will show you so many references, types of references. See, these are basic popular citation styles for different disciplines. Like if you will take English, literature, foreign language, or any communication or religious studies, we will go with modern language association citation style. If you will go with the social sciences, mostly like psychology, education, business, or economics, or nursing, linguistic studies, we will go with APA, that is American Psychological Association citation style. If you will go with history, art history, fine arts, anthropology, and philosophy, you will go with Chicago. And if you will go with mostly computer science and ITs related conferences, we have IEEE format. For biological sciences or for physical and chemical sciences or geology, we will go with CSE. These are the popular citation styles, but beyond this, we have so many citation styles. Okay. So, and questionnaire designing, when you are preparing a questionnaire, please remember, just go with please try to include all type of questions. Just take dichotomous, that means two answer question, two MCQ questions. Take take MCQs, and also please take open-ended question, open answer questions also. Okay. So this is about how you will just a brief structure of the or brief format for the thesis. Mostly the sections may be common in both the normal research paper and this thesis writing. Okay. So beyond this, is my voice is audible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now it is our session, that is AI tools for review of the literature. So I want to tell you about a few AI tools where you can use for normal research paper writing and also for thesis writing also. Maybe these things will be helpful for you. So after my session, I will clarify your doubts. Okay. Just first thing, just I will share simultaneously with you. Just do one thing. Just if you have internet, just practice it. See, first thing is AI tools for review of the literature. I classified it, depends upon our requirement. See, now I will share it in the chat box. Please, you also simultaneously, if possible, try to practice it. I will share it in the chat box. I will share it in the chat box. Yes, I shared it. See, yes. Actually, you need to first you need to register yourself for this Jenny AI. This is Jenny AI tool. See here, this will be the interface. This will be the interface. This is the interface. Is the screen is visible for you all or not?
Yes, ma'am. It's visible, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Just I will take a new document, then you can understand. See here, you need to register yourself. It has limited features for the free version. Okay. So now what you can do, see, you can see my name here. I registered myself. You also need to register yourself. Let us take a new document first. For example, you have document AI chat, or you can also upload your own document here. First, take one new document. Now I want to write. See here, I have. See, it is asking what are you writing today. Now I want to write, for example, impact of. Now I want to write impact of new education policy on education industry. So now I want to write a paper on this, for example, just common topic for all. So that's why. So it is saying it is average prompt. Just give a proper prompt. Now I want to ask, write a research paper on impact of NEP on education industry. Yes, great prompt. It is giving great prompt. Or you want to write review of literature also, it will give you. See, it will give you standard headings or smart headings or no headings. For example, for every research paper, you have normal headings. Even for thesis also, if you want to write, no problem, you have standard headings. See, it will give you some standard headings where you can write one format. it will give you, it will generate some headings for you. See, in what way you can explore this. See, it generated some, see, IMRD format it generated actually. See, introduction, review, literature review, methodology, results, discussion. See, if you want to write normal theory paper, I am telling you, okay, results, discussion, and conclusion. Now I want to write paper. For example, now I want to write introduction. For example, see, I think it is visible for you. You can see plus symbol here, and you have some dots here. Okay, if you will click the plus symbol, see here you have different headings. That means on for main for subheading, you also can give different headings as per your convenience. If you will click the plus symbol, and if you will click this double, that means if you will click this dots, you can see site, AI chat, AI edit, turn into, highlight, duplicate. If you want to highlight, color will change, and it will give you turn into different headings like this. Okay. Now I want to write introduction first. How I will write introduction? Just click on this AI chat. So now I want to write introduction. Introduction for NEP. See, it will give you some. It will give you some information. You can copy here and you can simply paste here. Next. If you don't need, you can also delete. No problem. For example, now I written introduction. Now I want to write literature review, for example. Now literature review. So I want to make it as a heading because it was changed. So now I want to write review of the literature now. See here, review of the literature for NEP on impact of NEP on education industry. So it will give you some responses, and you will see if you want to cite this. Wait. It will also give you the citations from where it got you got this reference. Okay. Next. Wait, I will give you. So review of the literature you can prepare. So methodology, results, discussion like this, you can prepare in this way. We have one best feature here. See, you can convert it into latex or Word or copy to clipboard. You can directly download it from your paper will be finished. See, if you will search and if you will, but one problem it has, the whole content is AI generated content. Previously 2-3 years ago, when we used this plagiarism checkers like authenticated, I authenticated, like that turned in software like that. So they never discovered this content, plagiarized content through AI. But now the software was updated. So if you will generate some plagiarized content, obviously, if you will generate some AI generated content, obviously it will be detected by that concerned plagiarism checkers. Please remember. So please be aware of it when you are using AI tools. Then what you can do, you can use AI generated content. Then please paraphrase it or please rephrase it. Then you can reduce the plagiarism. Understood? So in this way, you can use this Genie AI tool, and you can also see. You can also adjust your citation styles, everything. For example, here I have citations. So for example, if I got this introduction part. Now I want to, so you can also generate citations also. Next. See, if you will click this plagiarism checker, see, it is telling human is 0%, AI generated 98% content is AI generated, and mixed 2%. Even in you will see universities have plagiarism checkers. When you will follow the whole AI generated content, then you may face this plagiarism problem. So that's why please paraphrase it. When you will use it, please paraphrase it. Okay. Next. And also, you can use AI chat here. You can use library also. That means, see, for example, if you will open different types of websites, see, this is, you can also upload your own articles here. For example, you can see this upload symbol. You can upload your own articles also, your own publications, or if you download it from somewhere else, you can upload it to this. Now I want to upload my text to this, I mean my PDF to this platform. See, it was uploaded, successfully uploaded one source. Now I uploaded one source. See, if you want to cite this, you can cite this. Add to collection. You can add it to your collection. If you want to open it, you can open in new tab. Like this, it will be very helpful for you. Okay, this is Genie AI tool. So my PDF will be open. My PDF will be open. Okay. In this way, it will be helpful for you. So this is about Genie AI. Next, I want to explain about one more new AI tool. Second one is, see, I have this skyspace.com AI writer. Just and but it has so many best features, I will tell you, because the skyspace has very best features. For this also you need to register yourself. See here, you have see this interface once. Home, you have skyspace agent, chat with PDF, literature review, AI writer, find topics, paraphraser, citation generation, extract data, AI detector, PDF to video. It has so many features. And write research papers with confidence. See, once if you want to write, you have one format. For example, if you are a new scholar, You need to prepare a research proposal. You have format for this. If you want to write literature review, you have one format for this. If you want to write an abstract, you have a format. If you want to write a thesis statement, you have a format. And if you want to write an essay, you have a format. That means depends upon your research requirement, it will give you. For example, now I want to write research literature review, for example. See here. So here I want to, I already registered myself. So I want to go with my Gmail account because I already registered. So you also need to go with your own account. See, my space open. Now I want to write literature review on, just take the same topic. Now I want to take literature review on impact of new education policy on impact of new education policy on education industry or education sector. Generate. It has one pre default. See here. See how this review of the literature segregated into different points or subheadings, I can say. So now I want to write this. See, it will generate the content automatically. See here. For example, it is saying, see, I think I think this points are visible for you. See, the new education policy. Yes, accept suggestion. Now I want to write. See, the historic, it will give you the content also, no problem. And again, it is generating content. Just click on accept suggestion. Next. Again, if you will click, again, it will generate you the content. See? Accept suggestion. So it like that, it will generate the content. Itself will generate the content. So the limitation was finished. So if you will click this plus symbol, so continue writing with citations. If you want to write to, if you want to go with the citations also, you need to upgrade this platform. I'm using, see, ask AI to edit your text or paraphrase in academic tone. You can ask like this. It has so many other features like write conclusion, write introduction, write opposing arguments, tables, columns like this. And if you want to write citation, it will generate the citations also. So in this way, you can explore the content. If you will click this double symbol, dots. So you have clear formatting. You have copy to clipboard like this, and ask AI paragraph cite. See, these are the from these references you are getting this data. For example, if you will click this site, so it will be generated. Okay. So in this way, you will generate the content. So then you have see, you prepared literature review, and you also have AI writer. So I told you already, choose a template for this. Start with AI. For example, just ask any question, then it will generate automatically. Write 10 paragraphs review of the literature for NEP. It will generate. It will generate. And you need to extend the content. Next, you can also chat with PDF. So my library, you can upload your own papers here, or you have any PDFs outside, I mean, beyond this website, you can upload yourself. Next, my notebooks, you can save it. Chat with PDF. Just do one thing. Now I will upload one PDF, my own PDF I will upload. What you can do with this PDF, we will see. Now I want to upload one PDF here. I uploaded my PDF here. So it is saying it is a premium plan. It is asking. So my PDF was uploaded. So you can chat with this PDF. Now I don't want to see this entire paper. Now what I want to do, summary. I need just click summary. It will generate the summary. That means what you want to find. You can't read every paper. Just if you want to need, if you need something, it will give you that only. For example, if I want to read findings, it will generate findings. It will scan everything, then it will give you the findings. See? Like this, if you don't want to read the entire paper, if you will ask any question, based upon that, it will give you the answer. Okay, especially when you are preparing review of literature chapter for thesis writing, definitely it will be helpful for you. And you can find topics here. See, search for topics. It will give you different types of topics also. Next, it will work as a paraphraser. If you will give some sample content, it will you have different formats like fluent, formal, creative, more. So if I need formal, it will paraphrase it. It will paraphrase it. It will paraphrase it. Next, citation generation. If you want to generate any citation, for example, let us take any article. Let us take any article. So please, it has different citation generation styles. Now I need in APA format. Already I have this American Psychological Association APA format. So depends upon my requirement, it will give you the citation. You can ask like this. So, cite. Formatting your citation, it will give you the citation. See how citation generated. So you simply just copy it and paste it, or you can download it. You can download it from Microsoft Word. It will be directly downloaded into Word, but it has some features. That means for that purpose you need to pay. And next you have extract data. So if you will upload some files, you can extract data. So you can extract data as per your requirement. summarized abstract, introduction, methods used. It will give you answer for those questions. For example, podcast. For that purpose, you need to pay summary. It will generate the summary in 19 seconds. See? So in this way, you can use this. Next, we have paraphraser finished, citation generator finished, extract data finished, AI detector. Now you can see. Now I will what I will do now. Just let's see clearly how this. Now I will copy paste some text here. Then we will see whether it is a plagiarized content or not. Wait, I will. Now I will copy some text here. You can see how it will generate the plagiarized, how it will highlight or whether the content is plagiarized content or not, it will tell you. Now I want to copy this text, for example. Now I want to copy this text. Just paste here, analyze. See what it is telling? It is the text is written almost by human, 0% AI detection. Okay, so you can see like this. See how the, for example, if there is any AI generated content, it will highlight. So it will act as an academic AI detector also. In this way, you can take the help and PDF to video, but for this purpose, you need to pay the money. This is about Sky Space. One more AI tool I want to explain. I want to explain this source leak. See, for this also you need to register yourself. See, just go with new document. Now I want to write a paper on stress management of employees, for example. It will give you different types of articles. So you will click it, but for this you need to pay a membership. So, Sourcely is mostly paid version because it won't support unpaid version. Premium account only you need to pay. That means pro account only you need. So I will go to one more AI tool, Consensus AI. Consensus AI. What I need to repeat? Space. I will repeat. If you have any doubts, I will repeat after the whole session. Okay. So I have consensus. Consensus is one of the AI tool. And coming to GenAI, it has only limited features, but Skyspace has so many features. But I mean, Skyspace is better than GenAI. Okay. See, for every AI tool, you need to register yourself first. Okay. So here you have interface like this. See here, new thread. So if you will give any new prompt, we can say it will be a new thread. Okay. Now I want to know impact of artificial intelligence just on employment. See, I have few articles I found. If you ask this paper, now I want to ask this paper. If I need PDF, I will get PDF. See, I can read the PDF. Or if I am unable to read, if I will click on it, if I want to ask, I mean, if I want to chat with PDF, it is asking you need to sign up to use Ask Paper or you need to create an account. So it means if you want to ask something, simply you need to upload it and you can ask, because for that purpose you need to register yourself. That's it. Maybe it may be for pro version, we may have this feature. Okay. Next. We will see what type of additional features we have for this. So mostly we have only this feature for this consensus. And here you have, yes, you need to register yourself with for consensus also. We will do it. We will register for with this. If you have Google account, Gmail account, directly you can sign up with this. Now I want to register with this. See, it has only limited features. If you will click Research Hub, you can upload your any paper here, or you can download also. That means if you will write something, then you can download also. So this is about consensus. Next we have Scholar Key AI. And it also has so many features. Start free. You can try for free. Continue with Google. See here, you have okay. So now if you want to see, you have different types of, for example, you want to add a paper. You need to upgrade here. For example, you want to search notes. For example, I want to search notes for same point. Impact of AI on employment. You are all out of imports. Upgrade to premium. So it is also expired. Okay, no problem. But when you start for the first time, it has so many features because I used so many times, so that's why it is not showing. Then we have chat PDF. Just make a note of all these AI tools. Then it will be very helpful for you. Okay. So we have chat PDF AI. Chat PDF AI. Yes. Chat PDF AI. So you can upload your PDFs here, or you also have AI writer here. See, now write a research, just what I want to write. Write a research paper on impact of social media on youth. Now I want to write. For example, the same guide sentence if I will give, I want to take new document. Now write a review of the literature on social media. Influence on youth. So for this purpose also, actually it will generate the content. Actually, when I will give, it will generate the content. You will go with any thing, just go with because I am using free version, it is not showing. Otherwise, it will generate the content. Okay. So you have AI Scholar also. If you will give any query, it will give you something like, see, I used so many times, that's why it is showing like this. See, you have different PDFs. Just see full PDF or download. You can also generate citation. So it is showing what type of citation if you need. It will, for example, if you need APA style, copy. Simply you can copy it and you can paste in some document. And you can also see the PDF. You can also see the PDF. For example, you can hypothesis if you need objectives. Like that, where you want to see, you can see that only chapter or statistical analysis if I want to see. If I want to see data analysis, I want to see objectives like this, you can see as per your own requirement. So in this way, it will be helpful for you. Um, this is about chat PDF. And we also have AI detector. That means you can paste the content and you can check the text. You can check the text here. Okay, it will show you the plagiarized content. Okay, next we have one more. So these are the mostly these tools helpful for the paraphrasing, review of the literature, uh, summarizers, citation generators, everything. Next slide is exclusively for paraphrasing. I told you already. Nowadays, these AI tools, if you are using too much AI tools in your thesis writing or research manuscript writing, also it will come under plagiarized content only, because that content is also AI generated content is also, detected by the plagiarism checkers. So Quillbolt, I can say this is one-stop shop where you will get all the features. I think mostly you are familiar with this. I think Quillbolt. I think you are familiar with this. It has so many best features. So initially, actually, most of the researchers, they will use this your complete writing solution. Okay, so you can sign up paraphrasers you have. You can paraphrase the text. Grammar checker also you have. See, if you have any spelling mistakes or any grammatical mistakes, you can you can do with this using see, you can use it as a paraphrasing tool, grammar checker to fix the mistake. If it will support, I will show you live. I will show for live how you can grammar checker, how it will be resolved. I will copy the text now. What I will do, I will copy this text. Now I will see whether it has any grammatical mistakes. Yes. See, now I want to check whether it has any grammatical mistakes or not. See, it has. See, I think right side, if you will see 17 grammar suggestions, it is showing accept all. For example, it will showing like, see how it is correcting everything. See how it was changed. So next, AI detector. Now I will paste the same text. Here we have 0% text is likely AI, 100% human written. So you have plagiarism checker, scan for plagiarism. I'm doing for one paragraph, but you can upload for the paper. If you want to do 25,000 monthly words, you can. And AI humanizer, just paste the text. You can paraphrase it. Humanize, that means it will generate the content like how a normal human being will write. See, you can give only 125 words at a time. If you will exceed it, you need to pay. And you have AI chat also. So you can upload files and you can, and it will also it will generate, it will translate, it will summarize the content, it will generate the citation. See, now I will show you the citation generation by using the Quillboard. Just let us take any uh, document. For example, you can cite manually also. That means see different sources types. I told you already. web page, online article, a journal article, book or collection report, online video. See, you have n number of sources. Type of source, you need to generate the citation style, or you can cite the generation. I mean, you can generate the citation. For example, now I want to give an article website address, it will generate the citation. For example, let us take any journal name, Journal of Professional Business Review. Take this. So this is the website address now I am giving. Here it is asking cite web pages, books, articles, or now I want to generate the citation. Here I have different types of citation styles. Now I need citation style. If you will click this, you will get different types of citation styles also. So now I want to generate APA 7th edition cite. It will generate the citation. See how it generated citation at a time. And you can also export directly to Word document. See the references part directly. See how the references, how you can generate the citations and how it converted into a Word document. This platform will make your work easy, especially for references, for review of the literature, writing, for storing, especially for bibliographic topic content. You can use all these AI tools. Next, we have this is one more. This is one more paraphrasing tool. See if you will paste the text. Uh, if you will paste the text, will paste the text. It will generate. I mean, it will be paraphrase. I mean, it will rephrase it. So it has different styles like formal, friendly, casual. See, formal language is different, friendly language is different. You need to go with formal only. So up to 2048 words you can paraphrase through this platform at a time. See, it was paraphrased. Now it will generate the content. See how the abstract was paraphrased. Next, next one more platform I will explain. Word-wise AI tool. So here also you can paraphrase. It will also translate. It will act as a summarizer, plagiarism checker, detector. So you can use grammar checker. Simply what you can do, you need to paste the text. That's it. And it is also asking what type of style you need. We will follow as an Indian. We will follow UK accent only. So we will go with that. So simply you need to paste the content. So you can apply all these things. See, even though I'm explaining, if you will practice it, then you will understand it. Okay. But I will tell you the things. I mean the tools. Okay, now you can check the grammar. So it is showing some. So you can accept. So you can accept like this. So like Quillbolt only. So like Quillbolt only, you have additional features. I mean the same features. And you have proofreader also. I think for proofreading you need to pay. I think we will do it. Proofreading. Proofread. For this purpose, you need to log in into it. Next. this platform has the similar features like Quillboard. Next, we have Grammarly, Zero ZPT, like this. Grammarly we have. So same Grammarly also same thing you can. Sorry. We have Grammarly AI. I think you're also familiar with this Grammarly AI. So sign up with Google. So already I logged into my mail account. So you can log in with some account. See Grammarly. So here you can new document, you can upload file. You can paste the text here. You can paste the text here. So you can see correctness, clarity, engagement, delivery. So improve in text you can. So it is asking, you can write with generative AI. Check AI for plagiarism. So you can do all these things with this Grammarly. Next we have zerozpt.com. See, you have in Zero ZPT, you have different features. Like you can ask any text. You can detect the text. You have AI GPT detector, Zero ZPT, AI summarizer. See, mostly all type of AI tools are similar, but these are different AI tools. AI summarizer, AI grammar checker, AI translator, word counter. Like this, you have different features in this Zero ZPT. So these are different AI platforms I want to explain. So if you will use these tools, maybe you can, I can't say at least your work, your burden will be reduced and these platforms will make your work will be easier. Okay. So now if you have any doubts, you can ask your doubts. I hope you understood.